So, now we can write down ways of, we already discussed this, but let's just note it down, ways of generating P's. Right. The first way we already saw was do eigenvector, do the eigen decomposition, which is guaranteed to exist. Eigen The second step, which I've already given you a hint, is what? Gram-Schmidt, modified Gram-Schmidt. Okay. So, in the case of the eigen decomposition, there is one interesting thing that we have seen, that eigenvectors, tell me which statement is true. Which of these two statements is true? First one is true, right? We saw that eigenvectors turned out to be conjugate, but there's no necessity for conjugate vectors to also be eigenvectors. This is not the case. Okay, this is something important to keep in mind. Okay, so these are the standard ways by which we can generate the P's, and you may not see it yet. This is also the reason why the CDM, right? What was CDM? Conjugate directions method. This is also the reason why the CDM did not take off for a very long time. Can you tell me why? Anyone else? It looks very nice, right? When we're doing homework problems, getting an eigen decomposition is a command in MATLAB which says eigs and job is done, right? So it doesn't work for large problems, right? Both of these methods, what is the computational complexity? In terms of order, big O notation, what is eigen decomposition, like the eigen decomposition of matrix, what is the complexity? It's order n cube. To get all the eigenvectors is order n cube. What about Gram-Schmidt? Turns out that is also order n cube. Okay, so that is the reason why these two methods, they looked very nice in theory, guaranteed convergence in n steps, etc., but it did not make its way into big problems. And we'll probably not come to it in this class, but next class will come. The modification or the specialization that happens in going from CDM to CGM is a much more efficient way of generating the conjugate vectors, is what gave rise to the conjugate gradient method, okay, CGM, which does not entail a order n cube operation to get the P's. Okay, but that's more like a trailer of what is to come.